So the first one out of two, I show you HydroSal Silk, okay? And the second one will be HydroSal Heat Protect. Two very interesting products. And we have new versions of both, and they are showing a different story and a very interesting story. The other product like Style Protect, HydroSal Hemp, HydroSal Hair Color Restoration, HydroSal Hair Energizing, and HydroSal Color Guard, keeping the color for longer. It's different from hair restoration, color restoration. That color restoration means reduce the grayness of the hair. And color guard is, or color protect, is more about keeping the dye on the hair for a longer time so you can make more for what you do. And of course, we have scalp nourishing, and all this will come over the next couple of weeks. Here I have a nice video that shows you how HydroSal works. Why I'm showing you the video? What do you have to understand from this video? HydroSal works on surfaces, and hair is a large surface. You know, the tiny, long strand of hair accumulate into high surface. And this is an ideal technology to adhere.
When HydroSal is in a water-based application, the polymer shell loosely surrounds the core, enabling some of the active to diffuse out through the shell. Once applied on skin or other surface, the water from the formulation evaporates along with some of the active ingredients. Evaporation of the solvent, in this case water, leaves behind a solid shell encapsulating the core. At this point, the shell locks down on the core, containing the active ingredients. When water is introduced into the system, it dissolves the shell and causes it to gradually break down, triggering the burst release of the actives from the core. HydroSal technology comes in two designs, HydroSal 1 and HydroSal 2. HydroSal 1 comes in an opaque liquid form and has a unique malodor reduction feature. In this system, when the active ingredient, such as fragrance, is released from the porous core, it leaves room for malodors in the air to be drawn in. The porous core captures and neutralizes the malodors rather than just masking them. The second system, HydroSal 2, comes in a clear liquid form. If a clear final application, such as perfumes and colognes, is desirable, HydroSal 2 would be the technology to use. Salvona Technologies offers quality delivery systems that modify the way functional and active ingredients are being delivered.